In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, hello everybody. How are you doing? We'll be doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. My name's NA Saqib. I'm your IELTS mentor, IELTS trainer. Additionally, I've also been teaching spoken English students the last 20 years. Today, actually, I've got with me Eamon Barber, and she's going to give the answer to the questions asked in the part 3 of the speaking module. The part 2 topic was describe your best friend, and part 3 questions will be connecting with that topic, as you know about. So my first question from you would be, tell me the way you make friends with others, and you think what sort of people should be your friends?
Friendship is extremely important to me. It's like having brother or sister, even more than that. I would do anything for my friends and I would expect them to do the same for me. And I have a lot of friends. Actually, I'm a very social and outgoing person. That's why I have a lot of friends. Some are confident, some are really shy. I prefer having a real variety of friends.
Oh, that's lovely. Do you think it's easy to make friends in your hometown or in Pakistan?
Nowadays you can see that transportation and communication are easy and convenient. We have more opportunities to make friends with people and to meet them. That's why it's really easy to make friends in my hometown, especially with the mushroom growth of internet and mobile phone. It's much easier to make friends now than it was 10 years ago.
That's great. Absolutely, you're right. And what do you think is the difference between adults and children making friends?
In my perspective, the difference is mindset and attitude in the children and adult making friends. In general, children like to make friends with good students so that they can take help in study. But adults can make friends with anyone they want.
Oh, that's lovely. Thank you very much indeed. She has supplied us with the answers asked in the past 3. And thank you very much indeed, Eamon Barber, for giving these answers to the questions. As you know, the part 3 in the speaking subtest of the IELTS a bit thoughtful and analytical. She has tried a little best to give answers in that perspective. So we'll soon meet with another video. God bless you all. Thank you very much indeed. Stay blessed.